I don't know if I can help you with that.
Look at Mommy's stick.
Whoa! This is the hungriest I've ever seen them. Oh my goodness.
Let them go.
You want to hold it?
Can I have my stick?
Where is it? They have it. They have it. No, they have it. I have theirs. Look at that. You want to see? Let's bring them back. Oh my goodness. I feel like a bird lady. Oh my goodness. Hello. This is some action. Where's Aunt Amy? Look at this. You're taking all the... You want Mommy to catch you one? I'll catch you one. You hold it, okay? That was some eating fest there. Where can I get one? You see one? You see one, Lisa? Where? Oh, it has to be where Mommy can reach it. I can't get over there. Let's see. He's a pretty bird. He's a pretty birdie. You gotta hold it, otherwise you'll hurt the bird. You gotta hold it nice. Oh, no, 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 you can't do that. It's not. It's not. See, you can't shake them loose because that scares them, okay? You want Momo to get you one? Here, put it down. Let me go. Shh, you can't scare them. Put it down. You want Mommy to catch you one, Annie? Okay, here. Shh, shh, shh. Hold on, I get you one. Come here. He doesn't. Pretty bird, pretty bird. Here, Annie. You're welcome. He's not gonna. Oh, look, one's on Mommy's shoulder. They love me. Do they love? Oh my goodness. I got. Don't be scared, Mama. They're not gonna hurt you. I don't know. Yeah. Michaela, why are you throwing it? See, they're looking at you, and when they catch one, they throw it down. Allie, go get one.
This is just ridiculous.
What's wrong, Annie?
Daddy, get me. Daddy, get me.
It scared you? All right, Mama. I thought you liked them. You just want to look at them? You don't want to feed them?
No.
Okay. You want to feed them? Oh, Mommy, get this one. Here. There's a nice fat boy.
Oh, where's the fat boy?
Right here.
He's a little... I don't think I can carry that.
He's chubby. This looks like my Tweety. I had this one.
I have him. Oh, Tweety got me. Oh my God, where'd my stick go? Here's one. Over here.
You scared? You don't have to hold him, Mama.
I'm scared though.
You don't want to hold him? You don't have to hold him.
I found a nice chubby one.
That means he's gonna eat. You can't throw them once they get on. You gotta go slow, Allie. Alessandra, go slow. You're scaring them. You're going too fast. Here, look at this one behind you. Go slow. It's not on your head. There's nothing on your head. They're flying over your head, but they're not on your head. Whoa!
Up here! You want me to show you first? Yeah. There's a lot of birds. You want me to do one? I'm scared.
I think we need new sticks.
I'm not scared. Me too.
Allie, you have to be careful.
They were all going for that stick. When they were all going for the stick.
Don't be scared. Hey, look.
That happened to me 2 times. Happened to me once. This is my second.
Who wants to come up? Don't get on my back, Annie.
One went on my cousin's head. I'm scared. They're going for my shoes. They're going for my shoes. Oh my God. My mom. Look at my mom. Oh my God.
Here, Allie.
What do you have?
You don't like the big one?
They're going for my shoes.
Here's one. Annie, you're not.
I stick back. No, it's a bird on it. Can I pet it? I'm scared my fly away.
They're very smart. They're good birds. I used to want one.
Got my jacket on here. Nothing. I did nothing. I got work for you.
You're afraid of him because he's big? You're holding your jacket? Way! You're cold? But you have your jacket on. Allie doesn't have hers.
We'll go home now. Never liked it. Mom, can we go home? We
You,
No! No way!
you don't like him? But he's so cute.
Go and buy the animals, man.
Oh, all right. Whoa, they're coming out the doors. Whoa. Hello, twins. Everything comes to me in twos. Look, twins. Are they twins like you and Allie?
Twin birdies. I might want him.
I know, they got a nice room in there. Let's see what happens. Da-da-da-na-na-na-na. No, you're scaring everybody. What do you expect, Allie? They locked him in? Here, Allie, let him go on the stick. Allie, let it go on the stick. It wants to eat. It wants to eat, Allie. You're not afraid of the birds, so feed them. Then give Mommy the thing if you're not going to use it. All right, Momo, get one. You gave me the empty one. No more people?
No.
See, look, they don't want mine because it's empty. Allie, you have to go slow, slow, slow. You what? I think she just chucked one. Oh, and he's one is in Manjin. You gotta go slower, Allie. You're scaring the heck out of them. You're scaring them. Yes, you go too fast. What? It went on your mouth. One's right above your head, look. Annie, are you really afraid of them? Why? You want to play with them? You don't want to play with this pretty guy? Oh, all right. Allie, Allie, where are you? You want? Whoa.
I want one. Not two, not three, not 400.
I can't promise you 1 or 2 or 3 or 400.
Just one. Simple bird.
I got clean kids. You don't have to wash your hands yet. You're not going to play anymore? Pick one up.
How do you get a cockatoo? How do you get one?
You got a good stick there.
Mom, they're just biting and not getting on.
Well, sometimes they do and some don't. What are you guys doing over there? Washing up?
What's their word called?
I don't know about that. Woo!
Is that it?
McCall.
That one attracts too much.
What do you mean it tracks too much? Neat freak scaredos.
Give me back my stick.
Hold it.
From me.
Why don't you take my stick and hold it? Oh boy.
I'm so scared. Which one's your stick?
They are definitely eating today. This is worth the money.
How do you get macaw?
It's not a macaw.
They just bite.
Annie, Allie, get over here. You're done? Guess so. You're done.
Go.
Annie and Allie.
Biting like a bird. How do you get a macaw? Thank you.
Well, don't freak out when they jump on it.
I am. I'm trying not to freak out. You think I'll get some like this?
I think you will. I think they want you to walk back further. What are you guys doing over there? He didn't want me. I have nothing to offer. What are they doing? Hey! Come on over here. Watch out for the birdies. Lisi, come on. You can just look at the birdies. You don't have to catch the birdies. Whoa! How pretty. What's wrong, Mama? You tired? Out there? We're going to go out there in a minute. Let Michaela catch another bird.
4.
Where did I?
My birdies.
That one is a nice one.
It's cool how they fly away like that.
Can you please give me, show me where the birds are?
Show you where the birds are? They might be going up in the trees now. It's getting late.
I have to get one.
They might be full. You want to wash your hands?